In Florida, if you get arrested for DUI, you're actually going to have two cases. Most people know about the criminal case, that's the one where you go to court in front of the judge. But there's also a DMV case that relates to having your license suspended. If you blow over the legal limit of .08, the DMV is going to suspend your license for 6 months. If you refuse the breath test, it's going to be for 12 months or 18 months if you have a prior refusal. So it's important to actually look at both cases. So when I take a DUI client, yes, I do want to handle the DUI case in a manner of which they're happy, but I want to handle the DMV case for them as well. The law changed a few years ago where you can actually waive your right to a formal administrative review hearing and get your license right away. It will be a hardship license, but remember, you've only got 10 days from the date of arrest to do this. Now for the second case, the criminal case, that's the one we all think of. With the criminal case, if you get convicted, there's mandatory penalties in Florida that you will face. There's a mandatory adjudication of guilt, mandatory probation, DUI school, evaluation and treatment, victim awareness panel, pretty hefty fines, court costs, vehicle impound, sometimes vehicle interlock device, and everything else that goes along with it. But what's important to remember is that that's only if you get convicted. So my goal is to make sure that doesn't happen. Now there's a number of ways we can do that. Most of my cases, my DUI cases, are won before we even get to trial. And the way we do that is through motion work. I've had many years experience doing motion work, and that's how you win a DUI case. Yes, sometimes we do have to take them to trial, but if you can win the case without putting the client through the stress of a trial, why not do it that way? So the motions that we're talking about, motions to suppress evidence, basically we're making sure the police did everything by the book. And if they didn't, we can use that to help attack the case, whether your constitutional rights were violated. You may not even be aware that they were, but they could have been. So it's important, if you think that may have happened, please have me look at the police report. I can issue spot for you and tell you where the police may or may not have screwed up, and we can use that to capitalize that to try and get your case dismissed, reduced, or get you a result that you're happy with. So if you have any questions, please give me a call.